gonna about to head to the park. Let's get it. We're on the 72 volt RSF 650 with the moto brakes and moto forks, thanks to Ride or Die. Let's go. There's the hops. Alright guys, we're approaching the park. Alright guys, we're here. Yo, what's up guys? Just made it to the park with the new Ride or Die. Oh, that felt like a cloud. Ready? Oh, these are some nice Ride or Die forks. Okay, you guys, now, so this is testing. Ooh, that's good, some good testing, guys. Okay, so, I know you guys, we got moto brakes from Ride or Die. You wanna put the moto brakes? Rolling burnouts. That's crazy. Ready guys? It's hard to keep up. Keep the wheel up in the dirt. Yo, but these are some. Shout out to Ride or Die. So in the last videos, one of the last videos, I installed these dope Ride or Die forks on the RSF 650 and some moto brakes. And so moto brakes and the and then the RSF 650 moto forks, all from Ride or Die. Thank you to Ride or Die. Let's keep this going. Cause you guys remember the old or stock? Well, we're not even gonna go to stock stock RSF forks, because you remember how it would it didn't have suspension, so it was all what's it called, just one bar of steel or metal, and it's probably aluminum actually, but it was just that and nothing else. So then I switched it to the MX650 forks that Monster gave me. Those are dope forks, but when you're coming down from wheelies going like 20, 25, 30, they like bog out, and I just wanted a kind of better ride and stock Razor forks. But don't worry, I still got something coming. Still got something coming for all the Serrano parts. Stay tuned. So then I got these. Got sponsored with these bad boys. Ride or die forks. Look at those. And then these ride or die moto brakes. And it just rides so much smoother. Like a lot smoother. Alright, let's try to do a little bit of wheelie practice. Dang it. My wrist kind of hurts. Arm pump. Still getting used to it because a different brake, you have to relearn it kind of, and a different front fork, it's a little bit heavier, so I'm still learning. This is like one of my third days back riding this. Oh, sorry for the jingling. Look it, I have some stuff in there, you see? That's all the noise you're hearing. I have like a metal switch in there. I don't know why. It's like a 3-speed switch. I have some Allen keys, brake pads. I should probably take those out because those are for the zooms. And you guys saw the ski mask, and I forgot what else is in there. But yeah, this is so much fun. I highly recommend you guys get these for your forks, because their price is unbeatable. I think I'll put it up on the screen how much it is, but that price is really good. And then you add the moto brakes, for I think, I'll put that up on the screen too. It's like $100 more or something, 150 around there. But it's definitely worth it. These are moto brakes. They go to like my YZ85 have brakes like these, so that stopping power is a lot better. So my YZ is probably like 160, like that's a lot of 160 pounds. This bike is probably 100 pounds, so you have 60 more pounds of stopping power. You get it? I need to. Ready, guys? One more rollie. I just don't want to mess up my front brake, my brake pads, because it tears them.
Wake me up in traffic. Fell asleep.